Hey everyone, welcome back into our Thursday night newscast. It's time for weather. Mike Schultz with you once again, and no change from yesterday's unfortunate outlook. Again, cold temperatures, severe cold temperatures all the way through the weekend. We'll talk more about that in just a little bit. Taking on a moonlight ride, this time with Virginia Rigdon. She was able to capture this as she was going to work. Nice big moon there in the background. And as always, if you have photographs you want to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com and we will share with the rest of the audience. Here's your almanac right now. 18 below after a high of 17 below. The low last night was 36 below. I keep saying below. 39 above in 1980 for the record high, 56 below in 1968. Your sunrise and sunset, a little more than 7.5 hours of daylight, a gain of 6 minutes from yesterday. The satellite picture, not a whole lot to talk about, mainly because there is not a whole lot going on for the most part, except over southeast Alaska, and it is just, they're just getting plowed over there. We'll tell you about that in just a little bit. There's a lot of snow going on there. And as far as the satellite and radar out of the way, you can see the map. Again, snow falling across the Ketchikan area. How much you're not going to believe. It's going to be pretty impressive. Anchorage, 24 degrees, a little cool. Kodiak, 33. And the single digits for Nome and Bethel with 19 below at Barrow. A little wind up there too. Fort Yukon at 38 below. Lower 48 weather, once again, more rain moving across the Pacific Northwest, and that rain could get pretty darn heavy at times. We'll tell you why in just a little bit. More rain moving across the Central Plains, mixing with snow around the Minneapolis area. With that temperature, it better be, otherwise it's going to be freezing when it gets there. And elsewhere, you can see over the Florida Peninsula, some rain showers there. Things are finally clearing up over the northeast. On the satellite and radar, that system moving rapidly out over the Atlantic Ocean. A little bit of activity moving across the Great Lakes. And then clear skies for the Central Plains, and then you get to the West Coast and look at all the rain that's moving in on those folks there. It's going to be quite a bit of it. As you can see here, stormy stretch for Friday and Saturday, flash flooding and strong winds. Snow levels pretty high, so a lot of moisture, a lot of water coming down. They do need it, but not all at one time. And what's going on as far as the jet stream? Again, way up to the north, bringing more moisture across from the Pacific Ocean and some snow across the Great Lakes and over the northeast. Well, nice weather down to the south. Back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections, blowing snow at Barrow. Ice fog for Fort Yukon, but mostly sunny skies in Nome. Here in the interior, we're looking at a little ice fog in the morning, burning off and then becoming mainly clear skies, but gusty winds are possible near the Healy area. Over southeast Alaska, here it comes. Look at this. High wind warning for Juneau and up to 2 feet of snow in the Ketchikan area by Saturday, the way it looks right now. Amazing. Over the southwest part of the state, looking at lots of sunshine at Cold Bay, Bethel, and Kodiak. While over the south central regions, we'll be looking at, for the most part, sunny skies across the region, but strong winds in the Valdez area. Okay, time once again for our kids' weather, and all this week we've been talking with the kids from University Park Elementary School, but tonight, here's the teacher with an interesting weather fact.
Hello, I'm Mrs. Heine, and this is my 3rd grade class here at University Park Elementary School, and we have a weather fact to share with you. Class, did you know that even though it is rare for lightning to hit the same place twice, the Empire State Building in New York is struck by more than 500 bolts in a year?
It's always good to hear those kids are amazed by those weather facts. Thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And next week, we're going to have the kids from Watershed School here. One real quick look at our road conditions for Thursday night. Icy patches and packed snow and gusty winds for you truckers headed up to the north on the Dalton and Elliott highways. Otherwise, the Steeves Richardson Highway snows on the roadway, black ice and icy patches here and there. And the Parks Highway is still not that great either. Icy glazed areas, some snow on the roadway. Just give yourself plenty of time to get to your destination. All right, here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 40 below at the airport, colder in the low-lying areas with areas of ice fog developing. The forecast will mainly look at ice fog in the morning, burning off by afternoon, 21 degrees below zero. There is some good news for you. As you can see, temperatures starting to rise nicely toward the end of the 5-day period, even above zero, in the 10-degree above zero category. How about that? But until then, we've got 40 below temperatures expected for Saturday and Sunday night, and then a gradual warming. But like I said, the trend is for much warmer temperatures next week, and we'll definitely welcome that.